Kate here with WTI. Now, if you're looking for a new jack, this one from Anbull is incredible. It is a pneumatic jack, so it connects to your air compressor and it will make lifting your car a breeze. I couldn't believe how quickly this worked. So it comes with a few different fittings, so you can see which one will fit your air compressor hose. You then have the intake valve and then the release valve. So just by opening up the green valve, your jack will start to lift. Within 5 seconds, your car is off the ground. It's incredible. This will lift to over 15 inches, so you'll have no issue with your standard car. It also lifts up to 6,600 pounds, so it's very sturdy. It was easy to put together. It comes in a few pieces. You do need your own tools, but it comes with all of the attachments to fit it together so it's nice and stable. I like that it has wheels, so it's easy to cart around your garage, and it also stores upright, so it takes almost no space. So it's easy to use, nice and sturdy, does the job so well, and will speed up that whole process for you. I'm sure you'll be thrilled with it, and that's my point of view.